In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in a table of data in Microsoft Excel 2016. So we're going to go over to our Excel spreadsheet. I'm still using my 09 Owners spreadsheet. It's probably the wrong one. Y'all probably have one that is, if you're in my class, you have one that goes through cell 60 something. But anyway, I just want to show you how to use it. It's not about the end result because yours may be a little bit different. But what I've done, I've duplicated this last row. All I've done is typed in Jones, Michaelia, 2141 East 21st Street, so on. It all has the same information. So what I'm going to go, here's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to click on any cell on the table, go to the Design tab, on my table tools, so my Design tab, and I'm going to click Remove Duplicates. It's right here. And I'm going to say to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So the last name is going to be a duplicate. The first name is going to be a duplicate. So you're trying to determine how much of a record needs to be duplicated before it qualifies as a duplicate. So what we want to do, a customer may share the same first and last name, but they probably don't live at the same address in the same zip code. So, or the same phone number even. In the column list, uncheck. So we're going to uncheck the city, the state, and zip. So we're going to try to match it by phone number. So to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So my data has headers. Yes, we have headers up here. Click OK. One duplicate value found because it realized that Jones, this last two rows were complete duplicates. And what we had them do is compare the first name and last name and then compare the phone number. Most people don't share the same phone number if they don't live in the same house or they're not related. So we checked it, we cross-referenced the phone number basically, the first name, last name, and phone number. If all those things matched, then we assumed that they were the same record and we need to take one of them out. And that's how you remove duplicates in a table in Excel 2016.